Today's awesome dude of the week.
Today's awesome dude of the week.
Today's awesome dude of the week.
Today's awesome dude of the week is Krishna Devaraya. You know, Saluva Shri Krishna Devaraya, also known as
The last of the Romans.
His full name was Abu Ali al-Hasan ibn al-Hasan ibn al-Haytham.
And then posthumously, he was known as Emperor Qi Tian Hong Dao Gao Ming Zhao Yun Sheng Wu Shen Gong Chu Ren Ji Xiao Wen.
His coolest name, though, was definitely Sri Maharaja Sangrama Vijaya Sri Kartajahasa Jaya Wahardana. Personally, I would have preferred something with a few more syllables, but
It's like that quote from Romeo and Juliet. What's in a name? That which you call a rose by any other name would smell.
born in what is today Turkey,
Born in Mexico.
Born in Rajasthan.
born in Iraq,
Born in Tunis.
Uzbekistan.
Shandong,
In Uzbekistan.
Shandong.
Dude did some pretty impressive things. Moved the capital to Beijing, redug the Grand Canal, Forbidden City, Temple of Heaven, Ming tombs, the use of quarantine, the introduction of experimental medicine, clinical trials. I mean, kind of invented modern medicine. He did some other stuff too.
Like this one time, loaded the camels up with wood and hay, then lit them on fire.
Also did stuff with elliptic and hyperbolic geometry, as well as numbers theory and perfect numbers.
Like this one time,
Drove out the Mongols. He also introduced Buddhism to China.
dude was sort of a big deal in lots of fields. Astronomy, chemistry, physics, music, arithmetic, psychology, politics, and of course philosophy.
Was the first to use zero as a number. Abolished feudalism, standardized weights and measures, codified the laws, built lots of roads and infrastructure, standardized writing, introduced a common currency, built the Great Wall. He kind of made China into a country. King at age 13. Then he started conquering a few years later. Pretty soon, he had an empire.
The largest empire in the history of Southeast Asia.
Master of northern India.
Dude had a big old empire.
Conquer Europe.
Reconquered the Western Roman Empire.
He did more than just kill people and win battles and wars and stuff.
This other time, devised an interpolation method for finding new values of the sine function, had a theorem on rational triangles, provided the first explicit solution of the quadratic equation.
That's so cool. He was a warrior slash king slash poet.
Warrior/king/poet.
This one time, he made this stuff called paper.
He was the first scientist.
Paper.
Science.
Dude invented paper.
The first scientist.
Paper? Yeah, he invented that.
Dude made China.
According to legend, in addition to that, he invented dumplings, the crossbow, the wheelbarrow, landmines.
I mean, he did kill a bunch of his advisors and generals and friends and stuff because he was a little bit paranoid, but still.
Rounding up dissenting scholars and burning them alive wasn't a nice thing to do.
But don't forget that was way smarter than you are.
He also commissioned the greatest encyclopedia in the world.
And while it wasn't completely,
Harem-related drama.
he nevertheless fathered 110 kids.
Dude was awesome.